Aerial shot of Mar-a-Lago, Trump walking into court, headlines flashing, trial date set, Trump faces classified docs charges. It's official. Former President Donald Trump's federal trial over classified document found at Mar-a-Lago is now scheduled to begin in October 2025, just weeks before the presidential election. Trial start date October 7, 2025. Decision This decision handed down the Judge Elian Cannon in Florida sets up a historic and unprecedented clash between the courtroom and the campaign trail. What is the case about? FBI agents at Mar-a-Lago evidence images DOJ seal. The case centers around Trump's alleged mishandling of highly classified documents after leaving the White House and efforts to obstruct government attempts to retrieve them. Boxes level top secret show in official court exist. According to the indictment, Trump stored documents related to national defense, including nuclear and military secrets, in unsecured areas of his Florida resort and knowingly refused to return them. Laws apply to everyone, including former presidents. The Justice Department, led by Special Counsel Jack Smith, has charged Trump with 37 counts, including willful retention of national defense information and obstruction of justice. Legal versus political calendar. Split screen of courtroom and campaign rally. The timing could not be more dramatic. The trial begins just 1 month before Election Day, when Trump is expected to be not on the ballot as the Republican nominee. Key dates: trial October 7, debate October 15, Election Day November 5. That means Trump could spend his morning in court and his evening at campaign rallies, all while facing the possibility of a felony conviction. Could Trump campaign while on trial? Legally, nothing prevents Trump from continuing its campaign even if he convicted, but politically the impact is impossible to predict. Political analysts, voters have never seen anything like his before. It's uncharted territory. Trump responds. Trump speaking at the rally. Trump said that this is election interfaces, pure and simple. They want to stop us, but we will never be stopped. Trump has repeatedly called the charges witch hunt, framing the case as part of a border conspiracy by the Biden administration and so-called deep state. Trump's social media posts attacking the DOJ and Judge Cannon. Despite or perhaps because of the charge, Trump's base has remained fiercely loyal and his fundraising has surged with every legal setback. What's the shake? American flag, Constitution, courthouse. This trial is not just about classified documents, it's about accountability, presidential power, and the rule of law. Possible outcome: acquittal, conviction, and appeal. If convicted, Trump could theoretically face years in prison, but appeals would likely delay any sentence for months, if not years. Still, the political stakes are enormous. A conviction could alienate independent voters or galvanize his base even more. Trump trial October 2025, America at a crossroads. As the clock ticks towards Election Day, one of the most consequential legal showdowns in American history is about to begin, and the entire nation will be watching. For the last on Trump's legal battles and the 2025 election, like, share, and subscribe. This is a history in the real time.